In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 6, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on gear icon at the top of it. Then select theme and click on one of those to apply a perfect one for you. Click on this switcher to manage keyboarders and choose apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and select apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!